Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Alpine White with the Kyalami orange interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M4 Competition LCI in Alpine White. I've just hit unlock. There's a welcome light shimmer. Not visible to my camera, but definitely visible to the naked eye. The lights are on right now. See how they're flashing on the camera? That's what I mean. It's the rate at which the LEDs are blinking to create the illusion to the naked eye that they're just on. So let me do a lap all the way around. Oh, look at this. The laser tails. The contrast on white looks amazing. Alright. So now that we've done the lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the classic Alpine White. Alpine White shows off the lines really nice. You can see these four lines headed into these sculpted arches on the hood. Got the rondelle up front and center. That little black dot there is the front facing camera. And we have the vertical kidney grille with the horizontal slats. Black M4 Competition badging on the driver's side. We've got those honeycomb grills down here at the bottom. Let me just hit unlock one more time so we can get the snake eye headlights on. Press and hold panic. And there's the LED stack there. Yeah, this front end looks awesome. In white, it looks really good. Now, if I come around to the side here and look at the closer look at the headlights, these are the Shadowline headlights, and we've got those snake eyes in there, stacked LEDs with the low beams on, and we've got the blue accents in there as well, and it says BMW LED in there. It always says something in our headlights, so that's cool. We have on this one 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, 825M wheels in silver with the blue M compound brake. That looks really good. It actually contrasts really nicely with the white paint. And yeah, look at the rear one, more concave, and with the big rear quarter there. That looks good. What do you think of this this wheel? And then we have M4 Competition badging on the fender. We have black rocker panel, black M wing mirror, carbon fiber roof with the groove slats, and we've got antenna here, and we've got black spoiler on the trunk lid as well. So I actually just turned the car on, but just wanted to give you that side profile. M4 looks deadly. Look at that. Those silver wheels actually look amazing. We've got the black rocker panel, and we've got some black here at the back as well. But laser tails, oh my gosh, they look amazing. And back with you know what, white with all the black contrast actually looks pretty good. We've got the diffuser down here with the quad exhaust, and M4 Competition badging with the silver lining there. Look at the back end of this thing. Give me CSL vibes. Anyway, I've got the key with me. I'm just going to press and hold the tailgate button on the key. That'll open up. Down here we got front plate bracket. We got carpeted mats. We got release levers on each side to fold down the seats. Grocery bag hangers, that hook. And we got a little netted area here with your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook. All that stuff is there. So once you're done, close and lock. I'm just going to close for now. When we come to the passenger side, we're looking for 93 octane in there. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot here to put it. We have the previous gen style door handle, touch comfort access on both sides. So when I open that up, we got Harman Kardon, galvanic controls, got nice stitching going across the door panel. Door pocket down there, aluminum M4 door sill, We got the M carbon buckets in Kyalami orange. Look at that, looks amazing. Nice stitching going across the dash. Carbon fiber interior trim. And M color seat belts, of course. And if you pull this up, put the seat into the acute angle, look at all that carbon fiber on the back of the seat. And back here, 2 seating positions. And we also have a coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar, black headliner, pass-through through the center, vents in the back of the center console, and of course M seat belts for the back. They also have a little storage compartment back here as well. And when I put the seat into the recline angle, it will go back to where it previously was. We have iDrive 8.5 with the M specific display, the new cascading light and vent design. Down here, we have the wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's the M gear selector with the tricolor stitching. Red M push start button. There's your center console. USB Type-C is inside of there. So let's go ahead and open the door on the driver's side next. Alright, if we open the driver door, inside of here, Harman Kardon, stitching going across, window controls, memory, side mirror, tailgate, M4 aluminum door sill. There's another look at those beautiful seats. We have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel. That looks sweet. M tricolor stitching is there as well. And we've got the carbon fiber paddle shifters with the red grips on the back. And we have the head-up display. We have the garage door openers on the underside of the rear view mirror. And up top, we've got the visors. When you open the mirror, the light turns on. So now that we've had a chance to take a look at this side, down here, we've got your pedals. There's a little storage compartment. There's 2 pulls down here, 1, 2. So let's have a look. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. We have 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the triangular strut brace, M badging on the engine cover, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid over there. This car looks awesome, and when the ignition's on, the headlights actually show up properly. So I'm gonna shut this. There's 2 latches under a BMW hood, so you just gotta send her down. And since we've got it warmed up, I'll put it into Sport Plus and we'll get a couple of revs. Alright, that sounds nuts. Make sure you always warm up your M car before you rev. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around. Look how awesome this looks. And you got tons of power, and it's very usable daily. Lots of space. What an excellent vehicle. So what do you think of this spec 2026 M4 Competition LCI? Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Alpine White with the Kyalami orange M carbon bucket seats and the silver 825M wheels. How do you like this combination? I think it looks amazing. Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.